Hello and welcome to the Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to manually add contact in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. To add our contacts, we have to go to our phone here, contacts, and in the top right we have this little plus sign or a cross. So we have to input our name, and a phone number. Then we just need to save, and our name is now in our contact list, as you can see here. Very simple and easy to do. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.